Hi guys, welcome to another edition of our video on FOP creators. In this video guys, I'm going to be showing you how you can remove the background of any image using the PhotoG application. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. If you are new here to this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell icon. So we open the PhotoG application here. So this is the application for newcomers. So I urge new visitors to this channel, so you check some of our videos on this PhotoG application. So we have PhotoG for beginners, so as well as some issues that might arise from using the application. So we got you covered. So having done this, you click on new project. So you go to stickers. So and then another thing you're going to do here is click on insert from gallery. So click on without crop. So we don't want to crop the image. So and then the next thing you are going to do here is, I want to select the image. So this is the image of the woman I'm going to be selecting. So this is the image. So I'm just going to select the image. So I'm going to increase the size of this as well. So just like this, increase it a little bit. So now it's okay. So and then the next thing I'm going to do here is go to what we call, oh sorry, so I'm going to come here at erase background. So now you click on erase background here. So and then before you begin to remove the background of this image, so you do some settings here. So you increase the stroke, this size of this as well. So and then you turn this option, you turn the button on, click on it. So and then having done that, then the next thing for you to do is, you know what, you click on this make sure you follow the pointer on the screen, so the white pointer, the touch. So and then you start clicking on this screen like this. So like that. So you will begin to remove like this. So you get rid of the background of the image. So the truth I'm going to tell you about this is that you might not get the whole of the background. You might not get rid of the whole of the background. So but at least this is still going to be perfect, that you're gonna love it. So you click on, you keep on clicking this. So there are some stubborn parts that will not be easy to remove. So you can see I'm clicking on this remove noise as well. So as you are clicking on the screen, so you tap on this as well. So it helps as well. So it removes some hidden backgrounds. So make sure you don't touch the image. So having done this, So I'll click on end over here. So though the image is not done, then I'll go to I'll come over here to eraser. So you click on eraser, so just to remove some parts as well, so you increase the stroke a little bit. So and then you click on eraser. So once you select the eraser, so the next thing for you to do is just to select this option eraser over here. So you just have to make sure you put the eraser at the top of the part you want to remove. So let me decrease it a little bit. So there's some hidden parts I want to remove here. Then guys, you can see this is looking perfect. So oops, oh, my mistake, stored it. So this is just an option for you to restore a mistake you did. So you just like an undo button. So guys, this is the final product of what we did. So after doing this, and then the next thing is for you to close this, and then you can save the photo over here, and then you can finally quit the application. So thanks for watching guys. So make sure you like the video. If you like this video, make sure you click on the like button, so share to other friends, and then you hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell icon so for more updates. Thanks for watching guys.